What's your name?
My name is Glenda Ganado. I am 44 years old and single. I finished college at the University of Baguio and I took up English as a course.
Okay. What can you tell me about your working experience?
I worked in Saudi Arabia for 2 years as a patient attendant in a hospital or in rehabilitation center where most mentally retarded children were our patients. We were assigned to the school department or what they call the madrasa, and I was asked to take care or watch over the students and see to it that they are safe.
Okay. And beside this experience?
I am working right now actually as a building assistant administrator, and it is a building wherein we usually housekeep or keep the building clean for the tenants to stay.
Okay. Do you have any experience as a nanny?
As a nanny, yes, ma'am. The patient attendant in Saudi Arabia because usually we took care of children from age 5 to 12 years old. They are children with mentally retarded ailments or deformities and Down syndrome patients, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me how it looked on usual day?
On a usual day during in the
Yes.
hospital, ma'am.
Yes, with the children.
With the children, usually, ma'am, we talk with the other caregivers or nannies wherein we collaborate with them, we coordinate with them with what happened during the past shift, and then we usually the what's that we took care of the children, we bathe them, we feed them, and then after that, because it is in the school department, we send them to their own rooms or the nanny, other caregivers uh, will collect them or fetch them, and then they will return to their own rooms.
Okay. What kind of educational activities did you have with them?
We played puzzles or other activities like sometimes we watch TV, educational movies, or we play with them usually, and sometimes we also go out during in the park. Uh, we carry because some of them were in the wheelchair. We carry them outside and we took them to the park.
Okay. And why didn't you stay more in Saudi Arabia? You told me you stay only 2 years.
Because ma'am, I have also a daughter and I finished already my contract, so I did not renew my contract. And as you know, ma'am, Saudi Arabia is a very strict country, and also most women don't usually have rights there. Para they are looked down upon.
Okay.
Although not all, ma'am.
How old is your
Yes,
daughter?
my daughter is 11 years old, ma'am. She is grade 6 and graduating this March, this month.
And if you will be selected, who will be taking care of her?
I have my mother, who is the grandmother of my daughter. She will take care of my daughter, and she was the one who took care of her when I was in Saudi Arabia. And she is also capable now because she is getting older and growing. She is already 11 years old.
Okay. Besides this experience as a nanny, did you have another one? Or as a housekeeper?
Yes, ma'am. Locally, I work with some Korean nationals in our city, in Baguio City, wherein I also took care a 8 months old baby. He is his name is Dongha, and he is very cute. And uh, I also played with him, and the baby likes me also.
For how long did you stay with this family?
About 9 months, ma'am.
Why only 9 months?
Ma'am, because of my present job wherein I am I am keeping the building clean, so I was transferred to that building.
You were the one preparing the food for the child, doing the bath.
Yes, ma'am. Usually mash cabbage, mashed cabbage, and then uh, uh, usually all the utensils were sterilized, all of them. I was the one who is preparing for the food and also, but the mother was always with us because she is breastfeeding, no bottle, no formula.
Okay. Do you know any children's stories?
Children's stories, ma'am. Children's stories. The Red Riding Hood, ma'am. If you know the Red Riding Hood, which is very popular with my daughter because I usually read that story to her. It is the story of a girl who usually uh, have the hood or the cloak coat with the red or with the color red, and then um, it's about the wolf. Actually, the wolf that um, became. Um, actually, it was not the wolf told that he is the grandmother, but actually it was the wolf.
Okay. That's so interesting.
Yes, ma'am. So, and you know but the father came and rescued the little girl, so it was not eaten by the wolf. The girl was not eaten by the wolf.
Okay.
Okay,
For
yes, ma'am.
what kind of job would you like to have here?
I would like to work as a nanny. I would like to work as a I would like to take care of children, and also I would like to clean the house or whatever the my employer would like me to do.
Do you know how to iron?
Iron clothes, ma'am? Yes, I do know how to iron clothes.
What about cooking?
I cook, ma'am, usually. When I was with the Koreans, I cook their food, Korean foods, and also Filipino foods. But with Romania, I know that my employer would teach me how to, so I can learn.
Okay. How many years would you like to stay if you be selected?
Uh, Maybe 3 years, 5 years, depending upon if my employer would like me to stay. I would stay as long as they like me.